Welcome to the Cryptohopper Crypto Trading Podcast, where we help you become a better trader. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro, this podcast is for you. Tune in to hear from industry experts and check out cryptohopper.com for our world-class automated trading bot. In this episode, we have Cryptohopper's lead technical analyst discussing trading psychology. Subscribe to stay up to date on the latest crypto trading tips and insights.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great today. My name is Mihai and I'm the main technical analyst at Cryptohopper. I'm glad to be here with you today on our Cryptohopper podcast. Today we'll be talking about trading psychology, one of the most important aspects of trading. Trading psychology is just as important in the crypto market as in any other financial market. The emotional and mental state of traders can greatly affect their ability to make rational trading decisions, which can ultimately impact their success in the market. The crypto market is known for its extreme volatility, with prices often fluctuating wildly within a short period of time. This can create high-pressure environments for traders who may feel the urge to make quick decisions based on fear, greed, or other emotional factors. One of the key aspects of trading psychology in the crypto market is understanding the role that fear and greed can play in the decision-making. Traders who are driven by fear may panic sell during a dip in prices, even if there is no real reason to do so. Conversely, traders who are driven by greed may hold onto a coin for too long, hoping for continued price growth, even as signs point to a potential decline. In addition to fear and greed, cognitive biases can also impact trading decisions in the crypto market. For example, confirmation bias can lead traders to only seek out information that confirms their existing beliefs about a particular coin, while ignoring information that contradicts it. This can lead to biased and uninformed trading decisions. Another important aspect of trading psychology in the crypto market is the importance of discipline and self-control. Traders must be able to control their emotions and stick to their trading plan even in the face of extreme market volatility. This requires a high level of self-awareness and the ability to recognize when emotions are starting to impact decision-making. Finally, it's important for traders to understand the impact of market sentiment on their trading decisions. In the crypto market, sentiment can quickly shift based on news and other market events. Traders who are able to stay objective and make rational decisions based on market fundamentals are more likely to succeed in the long run. Finally, trading psychology also involves understanding the importance of discipline and self-control. Successful traders must be able to control their emotions and stick to their trading plan even in the face of adversity. This requires a high level of self-awareness and the ability to recognize when emotions are starting to impact decision-making. Since we mentioned emotions, let's dive deeper into how emotions such as fear, greed, and hope impact trading decisions. Emotions play a significant role in trading decisions, particularly when the market is very volatile. Fear, greed, and hope are three emotions that can significantly impact a trader's decision-making. Fear is a powerful emotion that can drive traders to make irrational decisions in the crypto market. For example, during a sudden dip in the price of a cryptocurrency, fear can lead traders to sell off their holdings even if there is no real reason to do so. This knee-jerk reaction can often result in losses as the price of the cryptocurrency may quickly recover after the dip. Greed and hope are another powerful emotion that can lead traders to make poor decisions in the crypto market. Traders driven by greed may hold on to a cryptocurrency for too long, hoping for continued price growth, even as signs point to a potential decline. This can result in missed opportunities to sell at profit and may ultimately lead to losses, like it probably happened to many traders in the last bull run in the end of 2021. Understanding the impact of these emotions on trading decisions is crucial for success in the crypto market. Traders must be able to recognize when fear, greed, or hope are starting to impact their decision-making and take steps to counteract them. In short, emotions such as fear, greed, and hope can significantly impact trading decisions in the crypto market. Traders must be able to recognize when these emotions are starting to influence the decision-making and make steps to counteract them. By developing a solid trading strategy and practicing mindfulness and self-awareness, traders can improve their performance and achieve their financial goals. Since we know how emotions can affect traders, let's look at some of the most common mistakes traders make due to emotions. Panic selling. Fear can be a powerful emotion that drives traders to panic sell during a dip in the price of a cryptocurrency. This can lead to missed opportunities for profit and may result in significant losses if the price of the cryptocurrency quickly recovers. Holding on to losers. Traders driven by hope may hold on to a cryptocurrency that is performing poorly, hoping that it eventually recovers. This can lead to very large losses if the cryptocurrency continues to decline in value. Such examples could be, for example, FTT or Luna, which lost almost all of their value last year. Chasing after winners. Greed can lead traders to chase after cryptocurrency that is performing well, even if there is little evidence to suggest that it will continue to do so. This can result in missed opportunities to sell at a profit and may ultimately lead to huge losses. For example, there are cryptocurrencies that rise in value even 1000% in the span of only a few days, only to crash and lose almost all of their values a few days later. Confirmation bias. Traders may be susceptible to confirmation bias, which can lead to them only seeking out information that already confirms their existing beliefs about a particular cryptocurrency, while ignoring information that contradicts it. This can result in biased and uninformed trading decisions. FOMO, or fear of missing out. FOMO is a powerful emotion that can lead traders to make impulsive decisions based on fear of missing out on potential profit, and it can result buying at the top of a market cycle and ultimately leading to huge losses. And finally, we have overtrading. Emotional decision making can also lead traders to overtrade, buying and selling frequently in an attempt to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. This can result in unnecessary fees and may ultimately lead to losses. Overtrading also leads to exhaustion, which further hinders the ability of a trader to conduct successful decision-making. Now that we mentioned all of the problems that can come from emotions, let's look at some strategies that we can use to manage emotions effectively. Developing a trading plan. Having a clear trading plan can help traders make more rational decisions and reduce the impact of emotions. The plan should include entry and exit points, risk management, and goals. Setting realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is essential in helping traders to avoid pressure of chasing unrealistic profits. It's important to set achievable goals and adjust them as market conditions change. Practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can help traders to stay focused and present in the moment, reducing the impact of emotions on their decision making. Traders can use techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and visualization to achieve mindfulness. Use technical analysis. Technical analysis can help traders to make more objective decisions by analyzing market trends, patterns, and indicators. This can reduce the impact of emotions on trading decisions and improve performance. Practice risk management. Effective risk management can help traders to reduce the impact of losses on their emotions. This includes using stop-loss orders, diversifying portfolios, and limiting the amount of capital allocated to each trade. One of the best ways to manage emotions is with trading bots like the ones you can program on Cryptohopper. Bots can also help manage emotion by removing human emotion and bias from trading decisions. Automated trading systems can also help reduce emotional biases such as confirmation bias. Bots can be programmed to analyze a wide range of data sources and make objective trading decisions based on most relevant information. In addition, automated trading systems can operate 24/7 without being influenced by fatigue or other external factors that may affect human traders. This can help to reduce the impact of emotions such as anxiety and stress, which can be caused by the need to constantly monitor the market and make trading decisions. Overall, bots can help manage emotions by removing human emotion and bias from trading decisions, reducing the impact of emotional biases, and operating 24/7 without being influenced by external factors. However, it's important to note that automated trading systems are not a holy grail and are not foolproof, and still require careful monitoring and risk management to avoid losses. Traders should also consider their own emotional responses to automated trading systems and ensure that they are comfortable with the level of control that they have over their trades. Joining a social community can also help traders manage their emotions more effectively. One of the significant benefits of being part of a community is the emotional support it provides. Traders in the crypto market can join online communities and forums where they can connect with other traders, share their experiences, and learn from others. Being part of a supportive community can help traders cope with the stress and anxiety associated with the highly volatile crypto market. The community can offer reassurance, encouragement, and practical advice, which can be incredibly valuable during times of uncertainty. In addition to emotional support, social communities can also provide traders with valuable insights and knowledge. Trading cryptocurrencies can be complex, and staying up to date with the latest market trends and developments is crucial. Being part of a community can provide traders with access to a wealth of information, including news, analysis, and strategies. This can help traders make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve, improving their chances of success in the crypto market. Another important benefit of being part of a community is the opportunity for collaboration and networking. Traders can work together to share ideas and strategies, collaborate on trades, and even form partnerships. This can help traders build a more extensive network of contacts and potentially open up new opportunities for growth and development. Furthermore, social communities can provide traders with a sense of belonging and purpose. Trading cryptocurrencies can be a solitary experience, with traders spending long hours analyzing data and making trades. Being part of a community can offer a sense of camaraderie and belonging, which can be incredibly fulfilling and motivating. One of our most vibrant communities at Cryptohopper is our Discord channel, to which you can find a link in the description. And last but not least, we need a positive mindset to manage our emotions. Maintaining a positive mindset can help traders to stay motivated and focused on their goals, reducing the impact of negative emotions such as fear and anxiety. Traders can achieve this by focusing on their strengths, learning from their mistakes, and seeking support from others. Let's see what you can do to develop a positive mindset and avoid the negative self-talk. A critical aspect of developing a positive mindset is to set realistic goals. Traders should set achievable targets and avoid overestimating their abilities. Unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and disappointment, which can affect their mental state and lead to negative self-talk. Therefore, traders should set specific and measurable goals that align with their skills, experience, and resources. Patience is a virtue in the cryptocurrency market. Traders need to have the patience to wait for the right opportunity to make a trade. They should avoid impulsive decisions and take the time to analyze the market and make informed decisions. Practicing patience also means accepting losses and learning from them instead of dwelling on them. By cultivating patience, traders can avoid negative self-talk and maintain a positive mindset. Staying positive is vital for success in the crypto market. Traders should focus on their strengths, accomplishment, and progress instead of dwelling on failures and losses. Positive self-talk can help traders maintain a positive mindset and overcome challenges. They should avoid negative self-talk such as self-doubt, criticism, and judgment and replace it with positive affirmations. Finally, traders need to take care of themselves to maintain a positive mindset. They should practice self-care activities such as exercise, meditation, and getting enough rest. They should also avoid overtrading and take breaks when necessary to avoid a burnout. By taking care of themselves, traders can improve their mental health, reduce stress, and maintain a positive mindset. Taking care of yourself is an important concept. Thus, let's talk more about it and how you as a trader can maintain a healthy work-life balance and avoid burnout. Set realistic work hours. One of the most critical steps in maintaining a healthy work-life balance is to set realistic work hours. Traders should avoid working excessively long hours, which can lead to a burnout and fatigue. They should set a schedule that allows them to balance their work and personal life, including time for breaks, exercise, and social activities. By setting realistic working hours, traders can avoid burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Take regular breaks. Taking regular breaks is another essential aspect of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Traders should take short breaks throughout the day to refresh their minds and avoid fatigue. They should also take longer breaks, such as weekends or vacations, to recharge and rejuvenate. Taking breaks can improve focus, reduce stress, and enhance productivity. Prioritize tasks. Traders should prioritize their tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed and stressed. They should identify the most critical tasks and focus on them first. By prioritizing tasks, traders can manage their workload and reduce the risk of a burnout. They should avoid multitasking, which can reduce productivity and increase stress levels. Establish boundaries. Establishing boundaries is crucial for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Traders should separate their work and personal life to avoid overworking and burnout. They should avoid checking emails or making trades outside of their work hours. They should also communicate their boundaries with their colleagues and clients to avoid any misunderstandings. Practice self-care. Practicing self-care is essential for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Traders should engage in activities that promote physical and mental well-being, such as exercise, meditation, or hobbies. They should also get enough sleep and eat a healthy diet to improve their overall health. By practicing self-care, traders can reduce stress and improve their mood, leading to a more balanced work and life. And with that, I think we touched on the most important aspects of trading psychology in the crypto trading market. Thank you for listening to our podcast. I hope you have learned something new to help you on your trading journey. Have a great trading week ahead. Bye!